Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat not working in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, the Snapchat app will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then swipe down and open Control Center, and here turn on and off aeroplane mode 2 to 3 times. And after that, check your internet connection, it's working or not. So to check, open a browser and then check your internet connection. So now my internet connection is working properly, and the Snapchat app is still not working. Then turn off the app and privacy restrictions. So for this, open settings and scroll down, and here click on screen time. Then click on content and privacy restrictions, and from here, if you have turned on this content and privacy restrictions, then turn it off. So after turning off, open App Store and in App Store search Snapchat, and from here check if Snapchat app is updated or not. So if your Snapchat is not updated, then update it, and after updating, the Snapchat app will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.